Please insert your card key. Dang. Oh, she a little small.
Say.
Go ahead, say it.
Good night.
Okay, see you guys tomorrow.
Bye-bye. You're a shark.
What? Happy birthday weekend.
Birthday to you.
What'd you say? Get it! Oh no. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. I guess we're not eating breakfast. I guess we're not eating breakfast. Come on, girl. The city awaits. Let's go. Maybe you want to eat now? You want egg and sausage? I'm sorry. What about potato? You want potato? Are you sure? No. What else did we get? We got this one, the omelet, and then macadamia pancakes. Are you gonna try it with the coconut? What you got there? Is that your chips? Open, please. Can we wait till we get to the room? You want some coffee?
No.
Hi, Daddy. I'm going back to the room. We're gonna go get the car. We're gonna go shopping at the outlet and then maybe check out a castle or two. Yeah. We're staying up, not at this one, but there's a bigger building right behind it. Oh, let's go, let's go. Can't see it, it's dark. Now it's bright. Well, it's been a few hours. Come here, girl. So we all took a much needed nap. Oh, it's really bright.
Sorry.
Excuse you? Yeah, so we took a much needed nap. It's now almost 3 o'clock. We're going to the...
You go.
We're gonna go to the outlet and Daddy's gonna go buy a lot of shoes.
What?
I'm just kidding.
Daddy,
No.
A bike.
A bike? Daddy's gonna buy a bike here?
Gonna buy a bike, girl?
Daddy's gonna buy a bike?
Fair play.
You're silly.
I
You're silly, Daddy. What else? You guys will be proud of me. I went into Louis Vuitton and didn't buy anything. What else? Did I vlog after the earthquake last night, baby? No. Well, there was a freaking earthquake. It was 200 miles away from us. It was a 7.1. We were hiding under the desk. We had slept through it all. And then we literally had 16 tiny ones after that. So I had the crappiest sleep of my life. Which is why we had to take that nap. There it is, y'all. Alan's about to be in heaven. Under Armour.
Puma? Oh.
Let me go inside Under Armour. And then see what we can afford after that. Oh shit, and there's Nike. How they gonna put your stores right next to each other? You ready, girl? We're probably gonna have to go home after this. Maybe there's a sign that says closed because of the earthquake. Come on, baby. We gotta go this way. We're in a pet store for Django looking for Pasta Lubo. We're getting some organic shea butter for his crusty ass paws. And then I was looking at deodorant sprays and then I saw this thing. Like, the freak.
Hello there.
But you want to smell this one, babe? I think this is for like in between washes and when he has like stank booty. Don't spray it on you. What do you think?
Good.
Yeah? But we're gonna get this.
You see something, girl?
There's no other kinds, baby? There's no other kinds of shea butter? Let's see what all. Yeah, it looks like it works. So I guess it's gonna be worth the money. I don't know. Y'all, I wouldn't be spoiling Django. What's this one? What about this, baby? I think this is the same thing, but it's $17.60 for that one. But it's up to you.
I will do this.
Cause right? Cause why else would they be showing that? And it says paw and elbow lotion. We get this one?
Yeah. Oh.
Vivian's over there doing God knows what.
Someone taking a shower.
So we were paying at Nike and we had another freaking earthquake, which was I think it was just me and like maybe the cashier that reacted to it. Everyone else just kind of, they probably didn't feel it, but you saw things swaying, that's for sure. And it was rough. So I'm ready to go home because I'm too scared to sleep tonight. I'm pretty sure that there's going to be more earthquakes. In the last 24 hours, we have had 17 earthquakes here. The strongest being a 7, the smallest being, I think it was like a 4 point whatever. But still, like, bro, I'm done. I'm so done. But anyways, oh, what you doing, man? You want candy? Okay, well, you gotta ask, okay? You don't just go through mommy's bag, okay? What do you say? Anyways, don't know what we're gonna do now. I think we're gonna go figure out what we're gonna do for dinner. So, yeah, we'll talk to you guys later when we figure out a plan or when we get there. So, okay, so we're back in the room. We went to the outlets. I don't think we did anything since the last. No, we didn't. We didn't do anything since the last my vlog, which is when we were about to leave the outlet. But I'm a grease ball. So I don't know where my phone is. I think it's in the car. I don't know. The weird thing is my watch still says that I'm connected, which is throwing me off a little bit. So I really don't know. So Alwyn went to go check the car, which I feel really bad because we just got into the room and I was like, where's my phone? Because I was gonna Google something and well, couldn't find it. So I'm hoping that it's in the car. I didn't hear anything drop when we were walking back to the hotel. Sorry, baby. But when he gets back, we are gonna go to a shabu shabu place for dinner. It was highly recommended by Jenny. It took me a minute to try and find it, but she did mention that it's at Sun Mall, which is walking distance from our hotel. So that's why we decided to just park back at the hotel, and or not even, our hotel doesn't even include parking, which is like a hot mess because parking in the city is not cheap. Basically our hotel can only reimburse up to 1,200 yen, which is give or take $11-12. So yeah, The rest we're paying. But I never gave you guys a hotel room tour, because it's a tiny little thing. Like, this literally is our bed. The TV is right behind me. This is like the walkway coming into the room, and this is like a little desk, fridge, and whatever area. It's very clean, which I like. I'm very like nitpicky about places that I stay at, but it's very clean, and it's just us three. I think next time though, I'll probably book the room that has the 2 queen beds so we can just mush them together, because sleeping on this queen bed with her is difficult. I couldn't sleep last night because that earthquake really shook me, like literally, like it shook me to the core. Obviously been having fun here. We're on vacation, but being up on the 10th floor and experiencing that earthquake, it really just, I feel a little scarred from it still. So I couldn't sleep well last night, and then, you know, mix it with having to sleep with Vivian. She's a kicker. And plus it's really hot in our room. This AC, I don't know if it doesn't work or what, but it's really hot in our room. So yeah, I don't know. We might need to get like a fan from downstairs, because the AC just doesn't feel strong enough. So yeah, but it's our last night here. I don't think I vlogged too much. We didn't do a crazy amount of things. A lot of this like places or stores, whatever, were impacted by the earthquake, so we couldn't really go into them. So yeah, gonna spend the night packing, which is not even a lot. This is literally this is all I traveled with. It's just a weekend bag. Daddy's back. Did you find my phone, Daddy? Yeah. Yay.
Oh, my phone. Oh, my phone.
Ready? Shabu shabu? Cool. So now we're gonna go eat dinner. And
My phone.
you want your phone? I didn't know you had a phone.
I have home.
Is that home?
In your house.
Vivi, where's Django?
I just home.
Is he at work or school?
Sorry.
Sorry. We are struggling to find this shabu place. Why? Oh, there's the cat cafe. Vivian, you see the cats? They're fat. It's yummy. Ended up at a udon spot because we couldn't find this freaking shabu place. What you get? Spicy?
I put spice.
Oh. You're walking for maybe almost like hour and a half, maybe 2 hours. What time is it? 2 hours. Yeah. You're okay. Eat your noodles first. Just put it here. Okay, eat your noodles. You got breakfast in bed? What do you say? Open, please. That's pancakes for Vivi. Don't touch it like that. You say, what do you say to Daddy? Oh, thank you, Daddy.
Huh? Ready? Pour. Ooh. Okay.
Don't touch it. You're petting it to sleep. Don't get it on the bed, Kay. No mess.
Okay.
He's fried. No. You're gonna use a fork, Grandma. You want hash browns too?
Ready to go home?
Our trip has come to an end.
I just
I'm ready to go home. Finish your juice, hurry.
No.
We're going now, girl. That's it. We're done here.
We got one last stop. Vivian, you want to go
She said
Disney?
she wanted breakfast.
You just had breakfast, girl. Come here.
What'd you say?
Come here. You want to go to the Disney store?
Huh?
You want to go to the Disney store? I'm not even listening. Do you want to go to the Disney store? What? Don't touch it. Careful.
Bye-bye.
Say good morning.
Good morning.
Say, oh my goodness. Ohayou gozaimasu. Okay. Ready to go? Check out? Check it out. Check it out, teacher. We're headed back to Misawa, and this is what I'm dealing with. And ew! No, it's not. It's candy. But look at this crap.
What?
I'm trying to relax my arm when a foot is in the way.
I'm about to get pneumonia. My socks wet.
But we went to McDonald's just because we didn't know where else to go, and Sendai so far has disappointed us food-wise. And so did McDonald's this morning because I know there's a language barrier, but damn. He completely voided Vivian's entire meal, and we were like, why is it only $10? But anyways, I'm driving now. Bye. Decided to make a stop in Morioka since the weather's really bad. And so we're gonna stretch our feet, shop. Are you okay? But yeah, it's raining really bad and it's windy and it's really foggy, so the roads are a little iffy. You wanna watch? Okay, hold on. Alright, score. We found a bunch of Frozen clothing here. Vivian is obsessed with Frozen right now. I'm trying not to vlog as much in here because I don't want to get copyrighted, but she's excited. She bought a dress, so she's got something to wear for her birthday this weekend. I'm so excited! So, yeah, this is probably the most excited I've been this entire weekend. Give or take a few other like times, but it's been a rough weekend, guys. So, I'm excited right now. Well, we made it to Misawa. Girl, please. Actually, I just hit her head before I turn this on. You are so loud, child. But forgot to vlog that we stopped at Coco's because there was no way that I was gonna eat dinner or cook dinner tonight. But the toll roads closed on us, so there was an added 45 minutes to our road trip, so it was rough. Yeah, we actually should have been home by now, if anything. So now we are on the way home. Or well, we gotta go get gas first because my whole car did not need gas coming down here, but it needs gas now. You are so loud, child. So you want to end the vlog? This is the end of your birthday vlog. All right, deuces. Peace out. Say bye-bye to the camera. Say bye here. Oh my God. Someone come get this kid because it ain't mine. Hey, put your mask on.
Put your mask. Come here.
She said, DJ.
Okay.
Baby, no, that's so spicy.
Why's your butt wet?
Okay. Deuces. See y'all in the next vlog. Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's so dark this way. We gotta take this way. Go ahead, walk away. Okay. So.
Body dressed to impress, no stress, though the waiting. I